Are you looking for quick weight loss? Healthy weight loss smoothie? Miracle drink for fast weight loss? Come, let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AyurChikitsa. Today I am going to show you a healthy smoothie recipe for weight loss with nutritious, tasty, dry nuts. Come, let's start the video. The required ingredients are: take half apple, 1 ripe banana, 2 teaspoons of dry grapes, half teaspoon of cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of almonds, 1 teaspoon of watermelon seeds, 1 teaspoon of muskmelon seeds, 1 teaspoon of sunflower seeds, 1 glass of milk, 3 to 4 seedless dates. Apples are low in calories and provide a good source of fiber that helps to fill you up. It is also used for weight loss. Banana are filling, nutritious, are good for weight loss. They are rich in fiber, which slows down the digestion and keeps you full. Cashew nuts are high with magnesium, is essential for regulating metabolism, which helps you to lose weight. Dates, it boosts energy, strengthens the bones, relieves constipation, promote heart health, cures anemia. Eating almonds every day is a greater for weight loss. It reduces the bad cholesterol from body. Watermelon seeds are rich in iron, zinc, fiber and protein. Reduces the risk of heart diseases. Muskmelon seeds contains fiber, which helps to boost your weight loss process. Sunflower seeds are rich in essential micronutrients full of fiber to help you to lose weight. Dry grapes can help people to lose weight. It is an excellent snacking option for those trying to lose weight. First, take apple, peel, cut into small pieces. Take a banana, slice, cut into small pieces. Soak dry grapes before night itself. Soak cashew nuts and dates in a milk for 30 minutes. Take a mixer jar, add apple, banana, dates, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, muskmelon seeds, watermelon seeds. Pour 1 glass of milk and blend it to a smooth paste. And pour the mixture in a glass. Garnish with the almond. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. This will boost us to do more and more health videos and we can reach more and more people.